Hello everybody, I'd like to welcome you back to AMAGarage 253. This is Chris, and Andrew doesn't know I'm making this video. About a year and a half ago, Andrew made a decision that ended up having an impact on both of our lives. That wasn't the intention, but he bought an old truck. And if you've been watching our videos, you know that I've actually got a couple of these. We already tore apart the blue one, and I've got a white one, but this is Andrew's yellow one being delivered back, like I said, a year and a half ago. I went down to his house just to watch and maybe help if needed. But you know, his decision to do that, it kind of inspired me, and after talking with him, I ended up buying one and then a second truck. But I wanted to let you guys know and to show you this and to tell you that, hey, if you're watching our channel, if you're watching AMAGarage 253 because of the truck we took apart, we've got two more coming, and this is probably going to be the next one that we're going to be working on. It's really clean, it's really nice. We're going to be taking it apart, but this time we're going to be getting a little more in depth and a little more maybe educational on how we take apart the different parts and the pieces, and we're going to do our best to show you so that we can help everybody out there who has one of these old Chevy Apaches. Anyways, we appreciate you watching, and we really would like it if you could like and subscribe, of course. So everybody be safe, take care, and stay tuned because we've got more truck stuff coming up.